Want to learn 3 must-know classroom words in just a few minutes? These words will help you feel more confident in school, whether you're just starting or brushing up your basics. Let's get started. Our first word is assignment. An assignment is work your teacher gives you to complete outside of class. For example, I have an assignment due tomorrow, so I need to finish it tonight.
Have you finished your assignment for history?
Not yet, but I'm working on it now.
Grammar tip: assignment is a noun, and we often use the verb to do or to complete with it. For example, I need to do my assignment tonight. Preposition for assignment. When talking about the time, use the preposition by to indicate the deadline. For example, the assignment is due by Friday. Next, we have the word teacher. A teacher is someone who helps students learn. For example, our teacher gave us a new project to work on.
What do you think of our math teacher?
I like her, she explains things really well.
Grammar tip: possessive pronouns. We often use possessive pronouns, like my or our before the word teacher to indicate which teacher we're referring to. For example, my teacher gave us a project today. Our teacher is very helpful. Our third word is homework. Homework is schoolwork you do at home. For example, I have to finish my homework before I can go out and play.
How much homework do we have for English class?
We have to read 2 chapters and write a summary. That's a lot of homework. Better get started soon.
Grammar tip: homework is a non-count noun, which means we don't say homeworks. Instead, we use it like this: I have a lot of homework today. Verbs to use with homework. The common verbs we use with homework are do or finish. For example, I need to finish my homework before dinner. She does her homework every day after school. That's it for today's episode. You've learned 3 important classroom words to help you in school. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more episodes. Keep practicing these words in your conversations, and you'll feel more confident in class. See you next time, when we'll dive into more easy classroom word.